Hello, I'm Dave Thompson. I am the Director of Education here at the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. And today I'd like to show you how to use an automatic scrubber. Now, as you notice, we have a red pad down there. The gray tank is our cleaning solution. The red tank is our recovery. And of course, the most important part on any auto scrubber is this thing right down here. That's called a squeegee. Now, in order to run it, you have to know a few things, and that's on the back of the machine. You have a key switch, you have a squeegee that drops, and you have a foot lever down here that drops the scrubbing head. I'll show you how it all runs and kind of explain it to you in a little while. But what's the main thing that you want an auto scrubber to do? Put down cleaning solution, scrub it, and pick up 100% of what it puts down. And that's the best way to clean a floor on a daily basis. Now, the choice of the head up there is all up to you. Today, we're using the conventional rotary head. There's also oscillating and also cylindrical. You choose whatever is best for your operation and the floor type that you're working on. Now, how does it run? Well, you drop the head, you turn on your pad, you turn on the water, drop the squeegee, and when you pull the bail here, everything runs. Now, what is it doing? Putting down the cleaning solution, scrubbing it, vacuuming it all up at one time. Now that I've got the whole floor done, I'm going to take the water, turn it completely off, and let that pad spin the water out. Now, something you might have thought, well, hey, you didn't put down a wet floor sign. That is true, I didn't. Well, one of the reasons is there's nobody here. I'm all by myself in the studio shooting this video for you. If, in fact, you were there and there were people in the building, you know, it might be a good thing to put a wet floor sign out. But you know, the thing about it is with an auto scrubber, it picks up the water just as soon as you're done. And so that's the best way to use an auto scrubber on a daily basis. Now, your pad choice is up to you. Typically, it's going to be a white pad or a red pad. White pad, if in fact your floor finish is fairly new. Red pad, if the finish is, well, say like over a month old. Anyway, there's some ideas for you on how to run the auto scrubber to clean the floor on a daily basis.